T coupler here available, Y coupler, T coupler and star coupler, and there is also so many couplers. So we will discuss one by one. So in the Y coupler we can communicate, that means whatever the power input, it will be splitted as a output. That means the single power can split into the two output powers with the combination of 10 90, 20 80 and 30 70 up to 50 50. That means you have one input and the two outputs. If you are giving the input as 100 and the output, we can get either 10 and another output is 90. If it is 50 and the other is also 50, we can get the precisely control, means we can control easily the Y coupler based upon the our requirement of the power. And the other one is the T coupler. The T coupler is also same as the Y coupler. Okay, the T coupler can be cascaded to connect the multiple terminals. The T coupler we can use it to connect the multiple networks. Suppose this is a T network and you have the another T network, it can be easily joined to connect here. You can easily join and connect the two couplers or so many couplers we can join here. The T couplers can be cascaded to connect the multiple terminals on a network. Okay, so the split ratio between the two outputs would be here 10 or 90 or 20 by 80%. Okay, so in order to have the enough power left for next terminal in the link. Okay, that is the T coupler. Okay, so the T coupler and Y couplers which can be used to connect the or design the photonic integrated circuits. So we can give the one input and produce the n number of outputs. That means it in the case of a demultiplexer you have one input and there is a so many outputs. So in that case we can use the Y coupler and T couplers in order to design the demultiplexers also. So there is a so many advantages of a couplers. We can use the T couplers in photonic integrated circuits and optical signal processing device and optical networking. Okay. So whereas the other one is called as the star coupler. The other coupler is star coupler. Star means the star which have the same inputs and same outputs. The star connector which have the same inputs and same outputs. It is 2 by 2 or 4 by 4 or 8 by 8. The star coupler have multiple inputs. It should not require, it is not no need to 2 by 2 and 4 by 4 and 8 by 8. It can be same or it can be different. So the star coupler distribute the input power uniformly among the output fibers, but wherever the Y coupler and T coupler, it cannot distribute the power as equally to all the output ports, while the star coupler, it gives the power uniformly to the output. Whatever the input you have the power, that should be given as the output, because for one input there is a one output. If it is a second input, there is a second output. You see the diagram here, I have the n input ports and there is a m output ports at the output. Input 1 and output 1 and input 2 and the output 2. Like you have the inputs and outputs, whatever the input power you are given, that will be directed to the output port. The star coupler which distribute the input power uniformly among the output fibers. So here there is a two types of star coupler, directional star coupler and another one is non-directional star coupler. So directional means it can couple all the inputs Suppose you have the four inputs, so it couple all the four inputs. After that, it will be distributed among to the four outputs. Is there any problem with the screen? Is it visible or any problem? From where స్టార్ కప్లర్ అయ్యిందా? స్టార్ కప్లర్ విజిబుల్ అయిందా మీకు? మీకు స్టార్ కప్లర్ వరకు అయ్యిందా లేదా ముందు నుంచి విజిబుల్ అవ్వలేదా? Is it visible for star coupler or up to only T coupler? Okay, I will tell. Okay, so the other method is the star coupler.